Welcome to Fix It in 5. Printer not working? Let's fix it. Frustrated user with error lights, jammed paper, and frozen print queue on computer screen. 1. Check cables, power, and paper. Verify connections and power. Inspect and realign paper in the tray for smooth printing. Clear stuck print queue. Navigate to devices and printers and scanners. Cancel all pending print jobs to clear the queue and restart the print spooler service. 3. Remove all paper jams. Open printer panels and carefully clear jammed paper from all trays. Ensure all torn pieces are removed for smooth operation. Update or reinstall your printer driver. Use Device Manager to update or reinstall your printer driver. Watch the progress bar and restart the printer to apply changes. Run the built-in printer troubleshooter. Launch Troubleshooter through Settings. Watch the diagnostic scan and autofix issues. Confirm all detected problems are resolved and print a test page. Verification. All steps completed. Check cables, cleared queue, removed jams, updated driver, and ran troubleshooter. Print a test page to confirm successful printing and happy user outcome. Thanks for watching Fix It in 5. Remember to subscribe for more quick fixes. Subscribe.